I've been studying the kingfishers at the local lakes for years, and they're fabulous to watch. So I built this artificial bank. And in here is a kingfisher nest. Oh, look at that, they're actually mating now. I can't believe what I'm seeing. We've got the first egg. So that was the first one hatched, and usually the others aren't far behind. I absolutely love that sound that it makes to those chicks, encouraging them to feed. It's been so special spending time with these kingfishers, but I'm going to leave them to it for now.